Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check disk write speed on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to go into terminal, because I will show you this in the terminal, so I will go into show apps and press on terminal. And we have basically two ways to do it. The first one is maybe a little bit easier. The second one requires to install the tool that we will be using, so I will show you how to do it. But the first option is we call it by using testdd command. So first of all, we have to type in sudo and sync. Right now I will press enter and type in my password. And right now we can type in our command. So time dd, as I said before. And right now we have to type in the source. So if equals to /dev/0. The next is the name of our file. So of is the name, basically the path to the path of our test file. So it will be, I will store it in temp and then in the test file. Right now we have to type in bs. bs is the amount of write that we'll be doing, basically. So I will close that, that's not important right now. So for example, if you are doing it on the normal computer, you can set it to 1 GB, for example. I am doing it on the virtual machine, so I will set it, for example, to 200 megabytes, because for me the results won't be very specific anyway, because it is virtual machine and the disk doesn't work like a normal disk in your computer right here, so it doesn't really matter. We have to type in count 1 because we will do it one time, and the last option is oflag. That is the sync. What does it mean? It means that this forces the write directly to disk. It basically bypassing the cache. Right now we can type it, press enter, and I think it should work. If I didn't make any mistake, I think it's correct, so we'll try. As you can see, our test started, and right now the write speed of my disk is 104 megabytes per second, so everything works fine. As you can see, this is a 200 megabytes test, so we can do it like this. Another tool that we can use is called fio. If you don't have it installed, you can install it by typing in sudo apt install and fio, but with double L, fio. As you can see, fio is already the newest version. I have it installed, so I don't have to do it. If you don't have it, you can install it by using that command. But right now we can move on to the test. I will clear that. And right now we can start it fio. And right now the name of our test will be write test, for example. So write _ test. And again, the file name, I have to basically set the file name, so it will be maybe again in temp and in write, and then file will be the file _ test. And right now again we have to set the size, and again, if you are doing it in the computer, you can do 1 GB. I will do 200 megabytes, and bs will be 1 as before, because we are doing it one time. And right now the type of test will be write, so --rw equals to write, and direct, the last parameter is direct, that we need to set to 1. Direct equals to 1. And right now we can press enter, and it should work. If it will not work, that means I made a mistake and I will correct it. But right now, as you can see, we have the laying out the file for 200 megabytes starting, and the speed of our test, as I said before, it is not very accurate, because I am doing virtual machine. Right there I have 444 megabytes per second. So that's basically how it works. You have a little bit more information right there, you can read it if you are interested. But that's all in this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.